What you see is that when the judge pronounced bail is granted, it goes on to the next case or at times enters his chambers. The defendant and his family are all happy that they're about to get the freedom they dreamed of and missed. What we don't see is that the persecutors, the ones that are to verify the house of the sureties, has to be settled, which means bribed, before they can verify the identity and address of the sureties.
Talking about corruption in the judiciary, actually see the judiciary as a victim of surrounding corruption that surrounds it from all sides. I'll begin with members, staffs in the registry of the court. You see them demanding for as much as 5,000 naira, and the receipted cost is just 1,000 naira.
When you go to file some processes in court, even though when you are done with paying the necessary assessed fee or statutory fees for filing of a document or papers in court, the registrars and all those court officials will still be demanding something from you, and if you don't give it to them, they will just drop their processes there, waiting for you to do something.
On getting to the court registrar, before your file is being passed on, you have to smile and pass a bribe. When the magistrate finally signs your file, he is unaware of what you've gone through and how much you have paid your way through to get to him or her. Once he signs your warrant of release, the officer secures your release from prison. The people whose custody the defendant has been might frown at you until you do happy weekend before they eventually let you go.
I and my colleague went to the prison service the other day to offer free legal representative, and the prison official, who is supposed to be the OC legal, told us that if we don't give him anything, our letters won't get forward. He was actually on the edge of trying to scatter things, and I told him, see, if we are being truthful, if you don't give them anything, our journey here today would be futile. And he said, why do we do that? I said, we're not giving them anything. Just tell him you have heard, and when you come back, you would see him. Other than fighting with him, if you fight with him, nothing would happen. He would make sure we keep dropping the letters and dropping the letter and dropping the letter.
These are all you don't see. The Honorable Court may be oblivious of this. However, the judiciary needs to stop petty corruption in its courts.